Level. Level. Now here we are going now. Let me reason with Sumfest. My boss from 2005. Next year summer, I'm gonna make 20 years since Aidonia boss. I see as in a seat in a 20 year you know. Seeing, I got you one leap of 5. I want leap of style them try style me. And I go on like some man a bad artist. Because I work smart. I know say longevity are the key. Now overwork myself, now burn out myself. But when I release a song, I know say a hit song. But when I not release song, all I'm talk about my life and my wife. Hear the pussy them. When the tune are dead, when the tune are dead. Them a different on my style and my melody. Pussy them a high from the melody. You know what go big style, them a follow, yeah. You know what go big style, them a follow, yeah. You know what go big style, them a follow, yeah. You know what go big style, them a follow, yeah. Come front. Come front. Come front. Come front. Oh man, tell everybody get go. Wait a one more. Don't let them go. Look somebody. What are you keep up in the kind of people down? Louder! 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 Level! 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 She said, when I want if you talk my mind. Jummy, give me a one drop on the rhythm run and stuff. Pull over! Back it up in a day. Get the boss it over, take a roller. And the back as them make a get roller. Roller! Look it up! Yeah. Push it up! Yeah. Push it in! Take it over! One rub my body here for your mouth! Yeah! Yo, hear me say now? Crazy! Crazy again. Come in, Jim, what you do? Icon! There's a flanker. That's all for Ben. Don't you remember it? Businesses get serious and they get bigger. Put them up in the people and get quicker. We have an answer. I run up on the road here and tell me enemies are get quicker. We run a program and boss them in. Best in the world, they call me Brent Killer. What's the beginning of war on the top and they can see your car, what's the end of it? Hey, me now go on and say, don't try me. China, Strike Force, Sumfest, 2024. Say yo. Say yo. Well, Anna. Me and them attack there. I uptown about this stuff. From Grand Spence, the big yard. Drummer, give me the 7th song now. Hold on now. Before the 7th. Open the event. When we met this. Yeah. 14 parish in Jamaica. What you say? Me body in a whole of them. What that mean? The world big like so. Yeah, what? Yeah. Me body in a whole of them. What you say? Me have come from Mumbai from 2005. Mumbai you know sir. Don't make me body anywhere. Rifle up, up, even up like go. You never live around from Pebelina. Rock it in up. Yeah, come from Mumbai from them time there. That means that you're supposed to know my biggest song in a Mumbai. That thing here. Lift up everything right now. Cause I'm ready, man, ready. Tell it time for the money. Level. Go remember, so we go and say, we have a team down in badness. Yeah. Because we have to go more corporate. Yeah. Because when we go badness, them start fresh. Yeah. Them know I know from 2005 and 2006. Yeah. I know some of their face and brawling. Yeah. One drop. In a me good day, me walk with me gun. But 90 rifle boy say. Big song. Big tune. There's a big up all I get to you them in our crowd. Me see the block them up for you and I hear the forward them. Yo, Monday. They used to be in the on the road, we jack the window on the door along.
We turn the teardrops in a go to put it on the and a roll. Right now we're breathing. Yes, no, me not touch the saving. Nobody never come to save me. Bring the occupant in my girl crazy. Come here, yo, me tell a poor story now.
Poor story, yeah.
Come here, right now, me tell a poor story now.
Poor story, yeah.
Come here, me tell a poor story now.
Poor story, yeah.
Level. Pick up all the youth there from Garrison, you know. You get what me I say? So me I say Flanker, me I say Gully, me I say Canterbury, me I say Cornwall Court.
Yeah.
Say, you know, you see, they're going for a place named Punish Town. It never nice growing up, but it grew me so tough. You see me? Let's be jumping. We're coming from a desolate place that me lost someone from me, start forgetting them names. But no matter what, me no forget face, cause the pressure build diamond and pressure makes snake too. Me did have to do this from epaulet days. Mama shed tears when she heard the brain praise up. Them little think they use the pressure man brain, feel fed up and drain, but me never flop state. Hey, tell them, they used to be in the pan of free, I was them left come on a pray. You think I little of them laugh a family in a holiday. Right now we're raving, yes now we're not touch the saving. With the friends we can't fail with. The girls out to them love them daily. Mommy and sing, but tell me poor story now.
Poor story, yeah.
Yes, we tell me poor story now. Poor story. Mommy, we tell me poor story now. Poor story. Mommy, we tell me poor story now. Yo, like, man, lock off the light. I want to see every phone light in our crowd like the last time I was here.
Lock off the light.
You get to me, I say, yeah. Yeah, lock off the light. Yeah. All right. We're not racing. Big up every ambitious person out there in the crowd. Big up yourself, baby. Me hear the scream it loud. Round there, sir. Right there, sir. It look kind of scanty. 3310 stop next, so no don't ramp with me. Over there, sir. 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 You're in a big lot there, sir, close to the house. Out there, sir. Out there, sir. Like mommy says, lock off the biggie that light over there, sir. More say one, yeah, love that there, sir, now. We have them, sir. We have them, sir. We have them, sir. We have them, sir. Legacy album out now. Big up on yourself for loving it here. Mommy, feel like a champ right now. Smiling to the punk right now, yeah. Man shining at the plants right now. We start up the beamer. We have them, hey. We have to keep down to the worst part. Every time we touch a plane of a first class. Nobody did that tell me not to reach the way. Nobody did that checking out the gate. Did it? If you get to your side, patience are the key to survival. Love everything else. After love.
Love you, my brother. Legacy album out now. See it, Legacy. The album out now. So if you don't know, go get that now. Go stream that now.